Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are here at the boat marina in Quincy. We just arrived and we're gonna go take the boat over here at our friend's boat. The name is Charisma, over here behind us. Hi to Shirley. Say hi to my vlog. Hi Pam.
Oh yeah.
So this is Charisma, guys.
Dogs are like we get jealous. I have 4.
Oh. Yeah, she's sorry. And we finally arrived right here, guys. Happy birthday, girl! It's our friend's birthday, and this is her boat. This is Charisma, guys. Tima. And here's the birthday girl, guys. Hi, birthday girl! Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in more videos later.